In today's video, we're diving into the world of digital note-taking by exploring 3 of the best apps for Android. If you're looking to enhance your note-taking experience, stick around. Noteshelf 3 Digital Notes. Noteshelf 3 is a powerful and versatile digital note-taking application that offers a user-friendly interface, making it ideal for both students and professionals. One of its standout features is the ability to write or draw using a stylus, which closely mimics the experience of writing on paper. Users can create various types of notes, including handwritten notes, typed text, and even audio recordings. Noteshelf also supports multiple templates, allowing users to choose from lined, blank, or grid pages for better organization. With cloud integration, notes can be easily synced across devices, ensuring that your work is always accessible. Penly Digital Planner Notes. Penly Digital Planner Notes is an innovative app that combines digital planning and note-taking in one seamless experience. This app is designed especially for those who love to plan their days and keep organized records. It provides a variety of templates, including planners, to-do lists, and note pages, that can all be customized to fit individual preferences. Penly also offers tools for handwriting recognition, allowing users to convert their handwritten notes into typed text effortlessly. With a clean and intuitive interface, this app makes it easy to stay on track with your tasks and notes. Journal Notes, Planner, PDFs. Journal Notes, Planner, PDFs is an all-in-one digital notes and planning tool that is perfect for journaling enthusiasts and those who want to organize their thoughts effectively. This app allows users to create journal entries, to-do lists, and track their goals, making it a comprehensive personal management tool. Users can also import and annotate PDF documents, which is particularly useful for studying or reviewing materials. The ability to customize notes with different colors and styles enhances the user experience, while the built-in calendar feature helps users keep track of important dates and tasks. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of Noteshelf 3, Penly, and Journal Notes helps you find the perfect digital note-taking app for your needs. See you next time, and happy note-taking.